Success was once measured by marks on a paper.
But in today's world, success is measured by the impact we create beyond that paper.
Respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Nagadipika.
I am Anjana. We are speaking on the topic on
Redefining success for students in the modern world. Let me ask you something. If marks alone decide success, then why do we admire entrepreneurs, artists, athletes, and innovators who never topped their class?
Exactly. Think about it. In the modern world, success is not just about scoring 100 out of 100. It is about discovering 100% of your potential, and sometimes that potential won't fit in your exam sheet.
Earlier, success meant one path, becoming a doctor, an engineer, or a government officer. Basically, if you didn't choose one of these, your relatives would look at you like you just failed your life.
And don't forget that classic question at family functions. Beta, how many marks did you get in your exam sheet? Especially in your maths. No one will ask you, are you happy or are you learning anything meaningful?
But today's world has changed. Look at people like Elon Musk. He didn't just follow a safe path. He built electric cars and rockets. Means he didn't just follow the textbook simply. He had questioned them and asked them how and why.
Or Virat Kohli. His success is not just about his exam ranks. It is about the confidence, passion, and endless practice that he had did.
Success now includes emotional intelligence, communication skills, leadership, and adaptability. In short, not just IQ. EQ matters too.
Because let's be honest, in real life there is no choose the correct option A, B, C, D, or E. Life gives you the option which is F. Figure out yourself.
And that's the real test. Can you solve problems? Can you handle failure? And can you stand up after falling?
Failure is not longer the opposite of success. It is the part of success.
In fact, if you haven't failed in your life, that means you haven't tried hard enough to achieve something in your life. For example, a student who scores average marks in schools but starts her own business and earns independently. Is that not a success?
If student supports their family, learns new digital skills, builds knowledge, confidence, is that not success?
But sadly, many students feel huge pressure to score perfect marks in examinations. Some students start believing that their entire life depends upon only one exam result.
That pressure sometimes becomes very dangerous. Instead of studying with curiosity, children or students study with fear, which is not good at all.
The most heartbreaking reality is this. Nowadays, we hear about students committing suicides only just because they are not getting the marks they expected. Just imagine that. A young life ending because of a numbers on a report card is truly painful.
The truth reminds us very important. No exam result should even decide the student's future.
Today's modern world rewards innovation. Students today can start learning coding from homes, design apps, build startups, and many more before graduating only.
Success today is about problem solving. It is about what value you are adding to society, not just what grade did I get.
Mental health matters more. A student who maintains balance, manages stress, and grows emotionally is more successful than someone who scores high but still feels empty inside.
So maybe it is the time we redefine success for students.
Success means discovering our talents and achieving them for meaningful things. Success means learning from our failures and never giving up on our dreams. We should not get disappointed by seeing our failures. We have to learn from our failures and move forward.
So let us stop asking students, what are your marks?
And start asking, what are your dreams?
Because the modern world does not need a perfect report cards.
It needs creative, confident, and compassionate individuals.
Because true success is not just about being the best in the class.
It is about being the best version of yourself.
Thank you. Have a great day.